Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you behind the scene at Refurbishment facility in China, where we breathe new life into used X-ray tubes. In this video, we'll guide you through our 7 steps refurbishing process, ensuring these vital medical devices are restored to their optimal performance. So let's dive in. The first step in our refurbishment process is the arrival and inspection of used X-ray tubes. We can't stress enough how crucial it is for our client to properly pack their X-ray tubes to avoid any damage during transportation. Once they reach our facility, our expert technicians conduct a meticulous inspection to assess the tube's condition before proceeding with the refurbishment. By inspecting every aspect of the X-ray tube, we ensure that any potential issues are addressed before moving forward to the next stage. Now the X-ray tube has been thoroughly inspected, it's time for cathode and anode assembly. Our skilled technicians carefully handle the components, ensuring precise alignment and optimal performance. This step is crucial to guarantee accurate and reliable imaging during medical procedures. Next up is the gas exhaustion process. We create an environment within the X-ray tube where gas won't interfere with its functionality. This step is crucial for ensuring stable and consistent X-ray production. In step 4, we focus on HV conditioning. High voltage conditioning helps stabilize the electron discharge within the X-ray tube, ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. This process requires precision and expertise to deliver exceptional results. Oil loading is an important step in our refurbishing process. We carefully fill the X-ray tube with a specialized oil which acts as both an insulator and a coolant. This ensures efficient heat dissipation and protects the tube during operation, enhancing its durability. Now the moment of truth. Our refurbished X-ray tubes are put through rigorous testing on our advanced CT scanner. This ensures that the tubes meet highest performance standards, delivering accurate and clear image results for healthcare professionals. Last but not least, we take great care in packaging and shipping the refurbished X-ray tube back to our client. We understand the importance of secure packaging to prevent any damage during transit. Our packaging is designed to ensure the tubes reach our clients safely, ready to put back into service.